Welcome to computer classes, children. So today we are going to start third chapter, that is adding features to a presentation. Lesson 3. Before we getting into the lesson, you should know what is presentation. Do you know what is presentation? In MS PowerPoint? MS PowerPoint is a visual and graphical application primarily used for creating computer-based presentations. So, PowerPoint is a presentation software that allows us to create dynamic slide presentations. There are various options to create a presentation in MS PowerPoint, and also using these options we can enhance a presentation. So let us see how to start PowerPoint. So you can see the monitor here, and these are icons, and this is a desktop, and below a bar which is shown here, it is called as taskbar. So let me click on start button and let me go to MS PowerPoint. So you can see MS PowerPoint here. Click on that. You get a PowerPoint screen. This is a PowerPoint screen, children. And you all know that here this is a title bar where you can see presentation 1 and Microsoft PowerPoint is written here. This is called as title bar, and this round button is called as office button, and these buttons which are placed just besides the office button on the top left corner of your screen, this is called as quick access toolbar, and this is called as navigation panel, where the slide what I have opened, the slide will be shown here. For example, now I have a single slide here. Let me add another slide. See, in the ribbon you can see a new slide option here, the button here. Click on the small arrow down. You will get 9 different types of slides. So you can select any slide which you require. Okay, so let me take this title and content slide. So when I take a second slide, you can see the slide gets added to the panel here. And here also in the if you scroll in the navigation bar, you can see 2 slides here. Okay, so because I have taken 2 slides here. So before we start up to work on the slide, you should know why do we use PowerPoint presentation. So PowerPoint presentation is used to create slides for our presentation. Suppose if you want to give a presentation on any topic, then you can use PowerPoint presentation, and you can add the required pictures, videos, animated text, anything to make a attractive and interesting slideshow. Now here we will learn inserting images and illustrations. Okay, so how to insert an image? Before that, we will use the first slide by giving a title and a subtitle in this box. I had taught you in last year's class about this box. Do you know what this box is called as? This box where click to add title is given here in the first box, and click to add subtitle is given here in the second box. Do you know this? Yes, this is known as placeholders. Okay, you can move it and you can place it where you want. Placeholders means what, children? Yes, placeholders means in which I can add text or the heading or the subheading, that is title and the subtitle for the project or the presentation which you are doing. Now you can see that I have added flower names, and then in the second placeholder, that is under the subtitle placeholder, I have given a name. I have taken the subtitle as different types of flowers. So why I have taken flower names and different types of flowers is I will be doing a small presentation on flowers. Okay. Now here in the first slide I have, as I said, I have taken flower names and different types of flowers, and in the second slide I have written roses because I want to speak about roses in this slide, and I want to paste the picture of the rose flower. So how will I paste the picture of the rose flower here? Is in this ribbon you can see there is an option by name insert. There is an insert option. So click on insert option, go to pictures here in the illustration group. You can see when you click on insert option you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options. All these 6 options come under insert, also come under the illustration group. I want picture of rose here. So let me go to pictures. So let me go to pictures and then click on desktop because I have kept my pictures on desktop. Now you can see I have saved the pictures here. Rose. So I will click this and I will click on the option insert. So when I click on the option insert, I got the flower rose here. You can see the box here and the dots also around the box. That means we can enlarge, increase or decrease the size of the flower. This is how you are going to insert the flower or the picture into the presentation slide in MS PowerPoint. Did you understand? So children, I hope you all have understood how to insert a picture inside the slide. Now let us learn how to insert a clip art inside the slide. Let me go to home option, take a new slide. Let me take to content slide. You can see in the navigation panel also, slide panel also, you can see I have taken 3 slides and you can see 3 slides here. And here let me show you how to add clip art. If you observe the objects here, 6 objects you can observe. These are the links, okay? So if I click on this link, table will open, this chart will open, and if I click here, smart art graphic will open. If I click in this insert picture, you can insert the picture as I showed you. So I can insert a flower picture again from here. I'll show you once more. This is insert picture from file. Click on this link and go to desktop because I have saved few pictures on desktop. I can take tulips, whichever you need, okay? So related to the presentation, what you are doing, you can choose the pictures. Now I am choosing tulips, insert. So you can see how the picture of tulips got inserted. Now the next is clip art. So I said like how to add clip art. Okay, let us click on this link, clip art. This is one option. You have another option also, and once you click on clip art, here you can see a panel here, clip art panel. In this you have to click on organizer, organize clips. From there, office collection, and from here you can choose any type of clip art. All types of clip arts are given: academics, agriculture, animal art, etc., etc. are there. Now I have selected animals. Domestic animals means it will show me a clip art of a domestic animal. I have got cow picture there. On the small arrow, click on that and then copy it, minimize this, and you can come here and paste it. This is how one method of inserting a clip art. The other method, before me going to the other method, let me insert one more slide. Now the second method is here in the menu bar, click on insert option, go to clip art option from here, click. Again you will get the same panel at your right hand side. From there, click on organize clip, select any picture under office collection. So now I'll select buildings. So you get buildings picture in the clip art gallery. I want this, so let me keep my cursor on that, and you can see a small arrow. Click on this, copy this, and you can paste it here. Follow the steps. Buildings, click on this building, click on the same small arrow, copy that, minimize this, right click, paste. So this is how you can add the clip art to your presentation slide. Is that clear, children? In this way you can add clip art to the slide in PowerPoint. So for now, practice these two options, that is insert picture to the slide and insert the clip art to the slide. So you can practice these two options, and in the next video I'll teach you the next options.